sometimes I get upset when I go in here because they charge you 10%. You see right there? My total was really $69.73. When she said $81, I was like, what? But then I like $69.73, and then they charge you a 10% surcharge, which was $6.94, and then they charge you tax, and it comes to $81.73. Can you believe this lettuce is $5.25? And they're talking about this lettuce right here, this head of lettuce, $5.25. So right here, I'm getting the seasonings for my dressing, my cornbread dressing, and my chili that I'm going to make tonight, and the dressing Thanksgiving dinner that I'm going to make on Thanksgiving Eve at my daddy's house. So they were playing the music way too loud, so that's why I had to go on and do a voiceover. I hope you are enjoying this video up until now. If so, please leave me a like, comment, and share. And let me get back to the video. Yeah, they were playing music again, jamming. Diana Summers. So I had the voice over again. I'm looking for the roasted, fire roasted garlic and the zesty chili, which I don't believe they have any here. I'm gonna have to go to Walmart and get some, but those are the two that I like to put in my chili, and also the stewed tomatoes. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for right here. $21.99 for that pick 5. The name of this store is called Frugals. So they got lettuce for $5 a head, but they got ribs for 85 cents each. Baby back ribs. Look at that. Look at these prices. Baby back ribs. $6.40, $6.34. It's 2 slabs in here. What a great price. $6, 2 slabs. $5.15, 2 slabs. Okay, so I'm gonna get out of here. I wasn't able to get everything I wanted in here. So we got our 2.5 pounds of ground beef. I paid $6.67 for it. Walmart chili beans. I think I paid 70 something cents for these. I'm gonna drain them. I got 5 cans. I'm rinsing out this chili sauce that they already got in here. So what I was rinsing off that chili. See right there, that chili sauce that they have in there pre-made. I rinsed that off. I don't like that. So I got my hamburger over here halfway done. So I am going to drain it. So I got my onions chopped up, a very small onion, and 1 small garlic clove, and 1/2 of a garlic clove chopped up finely. I'm gonna put that in there like that. Then I'm going to add my halfway done hamburger meat right on top of here, so it can finish cooking. Over here, I am going to add my beans. Got these zesty diced chili. I'm gonna add that. Turn this meat down low and let it finish cooking. I'm going to add a can of fire roasted tomatoes. I'm not gonna add the whole can. I'm only gonna add a little bit. But I do want the juice out of there. All right, I am gonna turn that on low. That's 1 can of water. Two cans of water. I'm gonna turn this heat off. All right. I may need to add some more water, but right now I'm gonna let that go for right now. Put the top on. I'm gonna let this cook for about 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna add all the other ingredients. So it has been cooking for about 40 minutes. So, and it smells good. And I haven't even added any seasonings. So I'm about to add some seasonings. I'm gonna add in first I'm gonna add in some onion powder. I'm gonna add in some garlic powder. I'm going to add in some cumin. Just a little, not a lot. I'm going to add in some chili powder. All right. A little bit of parsley flake. A pinch of salt. Just a small amount of Creole seasoning. Skincare routine. I really don't have and some black pepper. Okay, so I'm gonna stir that up. I'm going to add my hamburger meat in right now. I'm gonna let it cook for another 30 to 40 minutes. I'm gonna come back and taste it.